How to add location in Foodpanda. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add location in Foodpanda. First, open the Foodpanda application on your mobile device. Now, tap on location. From here, you can select your location or you can choose to add a new address. Next, select the location from the list. Then tap on confirm your location. Now, tap on save and continue. Next, tap on food delivery. Now choose any restaurant from the list. Select the food items you would like to order. After that, tap on add to cart. Here, tap on view your cart. Now, tap on confirm payment and address. From here, you can also set the location. Then, tap on place order. And that's it. This is how you can add a location in Foodpanda. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.